discover how Baha'i social principles inspire deep community bonds that transform individual lives and society as a whole. Building a community is more than just assembling individuals in one place. It is a profound process that requires a foundation rooted in shared values and principles. The Baha'i Faith offers a distinct and visionary paradigm for social principles and community building that reaches far beyond mere cooperation and enters the realm of spiritual and social transformation. Central to the Baha'i worldview is the belief in the oneness of humanity, which asserts that all people, regardless of backgrounds such as race, nationality, or culture, are inherently part of one human family. This core principle forms the ethical and practical bedrock for the community-building process. It encourages believers to see each other not as strangers or competitors, but as brothers and sisters working toward a common goal: to create a just and peaceful society. One of the most remarkable social principles in the Baha'i Faith is the elimination of all forms of prejudice, whether racial, religious, ethnic, or economic. This teaching does not merely call for tolerance, but urges active, conscious efforts to overcome all prejudices that divide and weaken communities. The implications for community building are profound. By fostering inclusivity, promoting understanding, and embracing diversity as a source of strength, communities can develop resilience and unity. Consultation is another remarkable principle that anchors decision-making processes within Baha'i communities. It is a method of collective deliberation characterized by respect, openness, and the earnest search for truth. This process replaces adversarial debate with cooperation and seeks the best course of action through collective wisdom rather than individual agendas. Consultation strengthens communities by ensuring that every voice is heard, ideas are carefully considered, and decisions are made with unity and purpose. Beyond social dynamics, the harmony of science and religion constitutes a guiding principle that informs social progress and community development in the Baha'i Faith. The belief here is that true religion and real science complement each other, with religion providing moral and spiritual guidance and science offering knowledge and practical solutions. This balance equips communities to approach challenges holistically, combining ethical considerations with scientific understanding to create sustainable and just societies. Education is another pillar fundamental to the Baha'i vision of community building. It is regarded as a right and a responsibility essential for individual growth and social well-being. Education empowers members to contribute meaningfully to community life, nurture talents, and cultivate virtues necessary for cooperation and service. The Baha'i writings emphasize not only academic learning, but also moral education and the arts, reflecting a comprehensive approach to human development. Economic justice and the principle of sharing resources equitably further animate the efforts to build communities marked by fairness and mutual support. Equitable economic systems and a sense of collective responsibility help minimize inequalities and promote social harmony. The Baha'i teachings encourage communities to work toward systems where wealth is not concentrated in few hands, but used as a means to serve society as a whole. In practical terms, Baha'i communities around the world organize grassroots initiatives that reflect these values. Children's classes that teach spiritual and moral virtues. Youth empowerment projects that foster leadership and service. Devotional gatherings where people of diverse backgrounds unite in prayer and reflection. And social action programs addressing local needs with compassion and insight. All these efforts exemplify how spiritual principles translate into tangible contributions that uplift communities. In essence, Baha'i social principles provide a blueprint that interweaves spiritual insight with pragmatic action. This integrated approach invites individuals to participate in a collective journey towards social unity, justice, and peace. It challenges societies to transcend divisions, adopt consultative collaboration, and embrace a vision where every person can flourish equally. As the Baha'i writings promise, the future of humanity depends on the recognition of our shared destiny and the purposeful building of communities that reflect this sacred truth. Through this lens, community building becomes not merely a human endeavor, but a spiritual mandate leading to a civilization marked by unity, prosperity, and enduring happiness. Reflect on how the principles of unity and consultation can enrich communities and inspire positive social change.